Where the hell are we? That was Komoriku here out in Sagamihara. To be honest, quite far away from Sagamihara, but I think Sagamihara station would be the closest station. And I'm here with Cody from Ramen Guide Japan.com. It's 2025 and this is going to be the first video for this year. And for that one, we picked a place that's a little bit more difficult to get to. I would doubt that a lot of even ramen nerds make it out here just because it's so inconvenient to get here. But yeah, maybe let's start with the ramen and then talk a little bit about the location. What did we eat here today?
Yeah, so we had the shoyu ramen. I guess it's kind of one of the predecessors to the Kanagawa tande or like light ramen style. Really porky and just kind of like a home style, almost like ramen. But yeah, really delicious. Really enjoyed that.
Yeah, and some things to note: you can get shoyu, you can get shio here. They're very proud of their chashu. I think it's not a mistake. I mean, if you come out here, get some extra chashu. Don't get like the most simple version, shio shoyu. I think the shoyu is the main thing here that most people go for. You also see a lot of people going for their extra portions. It's really worth it. They have two different types of noodles, chijiremen, so like kind of hand massaged, curly, which they usually run out during the day. So, come a bit early so you can secure yourself some of those. They're really worth going for. I think they add a little bit of extra heft to each slurp because they pick up the soup quite nicely. Really well made. I also liked those, that super fine type of menma. It's a rather uncommon, like really, really small. And I was a little bit skeptical about the fried onions that you have there, but it pairs so well with the soup that they make here, the light shoyu seasoning that they have. It's just overall very comforting. And yeah, as he said, for me feels like as if you have like this friend that's just very good at making ramen at home and makes like this incredible bowl for you out of their home kitchen. A really, really great bowl here. But yeah, to say a few things about how to get here. Basically, the nearest station is Sagamihara station, and then from there, it was how long did it take? Like half an hour taxi ride?
20-minute cab
20
ride,
minutes? Yeah. So 3,600 yen, if I remember correctly, out here. So I think walking distance would be like 2 hours, over 2 hours from the station. It's something to consider. But this is Kanagawa Hyakumeten, and yeah, if you are trying to fill out Kanagawa Hyakumeten, definitely this one is worth the trip. And yeah, if you're a ramen nerd, give this one a try. And yeah, anything else to add?
Well, it's called Menkobo.
Okay.
Komoriku. Menkobo meaning like noodle factory.
See that one up here.
And yeah, so it's all house-made noodles. And yeah, the noodles are the kind of selling point. So yeah, be sure to come early for that hand massaged version.
Yeah, they say on the menu that they usually run out at around 1 p.m. But yeah, depending on the day, it could be earlier. I think most people, I don't think I saw anyone go for the hosomen.
No.
I think if you don't have to, you don't go for that one. So that's something to consider. And I think, yeah, that's all from us for today. Check out ramenguidejapan.com for ramen reviews. And yeah, if you like my videos, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.